All right, now we let out my other group. This is Bull, you guys. It's my boy Bull. Let Karma out. It's my girl Karma. But she probably be re-home soon if she don't get hers together. Yeah. Cherry. This is Cherry, Spun Mom. Hercules is Spun Daddy. Cherry is Spun Mama. And this is my other little girl, Sonia, which is Bull's sister. This is my Brenna. Cherry is almost finna come in heat, so I'll be breeding her with Bull, which is him, as soon as she come on in heat. Y'all throw the ball for Cherry then. Hurry up, shit, it's 5 up time. Cherry just ran him over. Let go, Cherry. Thank you. Cherry be there, boy. She be there. Cherry be moving. Now, Sonya, I have bred with Leo, so I'm waiting to see if she took. That's Sonya that I already bred her. So it's just up to her. I bred Karma too with Leo, but don't know if she took yet. Kind of got to wait to see if she took.